So in this video, we are going to learn how to send SMS alert to new Infusionsoft or Keap contact. Now suppose guys you are using Keap or Infusionsoft as a CRM application and you want that whenever a new contact is created in Keap, you want to send them a welcome message as SMS to their number. Now let me tell you, you can actually automate this process. And in this automation, whenever a new contact will be created in Keap, automatically using Twilio, you can send SMS message to them as well. So guys, if you want to know how you can set up this automation, for that you just have to come with me to my screen.
So as you can see, here we are on Pabbly Connect's dashboard. Now to reach this dashboard, you will get a free sign-up link of Pabbly Connect in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can create your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes. And after reaching to this dashboard, just click on Create Workflow and give this workflow a name. For example, I would like to name my workflow as Infusionsoft or for example Keap to Twilio. And then just click on Create. Now you can see that our workflow is open over here. And in this workflow, we have 2 different windows. First one is the trigger window and second one is the action window. So triggers and actions are basically those 2 concepts, those 2 principles on which this whole automation works on, where the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. So let's begin with the trigger window. Now the idea here is, first we have to connect our Infusionsoft or Keap CRM with Pabbly Connect in the trigger window, so that every time a new contact is created in our CRM, automatically the details of that newly created contact will be received inside Pabbly Connect. And after that, using Pabbly Connect, we are going to send those details to Twilio, and using Twilio, we are going to send the welcome SMS message to them. So let's see how it is done. Now here in trigger window, in choose app, search for Keap, Infusionsoft by Keap. And then in trigger event from the drop down, select the trigger event as new contact. Click on connect and select add new connection. Now here guys, we have to connect our Infusionsoft or Keap account with Pabbly Connect. So to make this connection, just click on this connect with Infusionsoft by Keap button, and then because I have already logged into my Keap account, Pabbly Connect has detected the same account. Just click on allow in this window, and now we will see our Keap account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making this connection, just click on save and send test request. After clicking on save and send test request, here you can see that it has now changed to waiting for response. This means Pabbly Connect is waiting for some data, some response of a new contact being created from Keap. So let's do this. We will go to a Keap account, we will go to contact section, and we are going to create a new contact over here. Let's click on add a contact button. Let's give a first name as, for example, demo user. Then let's add the email address. This is the email address, select the company and the phone number. So whatever phone number of a contact which we are going to enter over here, on the same number we are going to send the SMS, and just click on save. And as we click on save, we will see this new contact has been created in Keap. And within few seconds in our Pabbly Connect workflow as well, we will get the response of a new contact being created. So let's wait for a few seconds over here. And yes, here you can see that in our Pabbly Connect workflow, we have received some response. And in this response, you can see some details. Here we have the object type as contact. Then here you can see the date and time, that at what date and time we have received this response. This event happened in our Keap account. Then here you can see the ID, and here you can see the event key. So the event key is contact added. For this particular event, we have received the response. So as we have created a new contact in Keap, in Pabbly Connect in our trigger window, we have received this response. But in this response, guys, you can't see the details of the contact like their name, email or phone number. But here in this response, we have received this ID, and this is the contact ID. So here what we have to do, we have to retrieve the details of this contact using this contact ID in the next step. So we will just scroll down, come to our action window, and here in choose app, once again search for Keap, Infusionsoft by Keap. Then after that, in action event from the drop down, this time from these action event, we have to select the action event as retrieve a contact. Just select it. Click on connect. And then because we have connected our Keap account in the previous step, we don't have to make a new connection. You can select the existing connection and click on save. After clicking on save, here you can see that our Keap account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. And after making this connection, the only thing it asks us is the contact ID. That what is the contact ID of that particular contact whose details we want to retrieve from Keap. So here in the trigger response, we have received the contact ID of the new contact which was created in Keap. So from this response, we have to map this contact ID over here in this field. And guys, the process of mapping is very simple. Simply click on this field and here in the drop down, you can see a list of all the responses which we have received from Keap. Out of all of this, just select this response of ID and it will be mapped over here. After mapping this, just click on Save and Send Test Request. Now when we click on Save and Send Test Request, here you can see that we have received some response. And this response seems to be a positive response to us. In this response, you will see all the details of a new contact which we have created. Here you can see the same email address which we have entered while creating this contact over here in Keap. Then after this, we will scroll down. Here you can see the same first name. Then you can see the same mobile number and also the same last name with the name of the company. This means the step 1 of setting up this automation is completed. We have successfully received the details of a new contact which we have created just now in Keap inside Pabbly Connect. Now after this, what we want to do? We want to send an SMS message to the number of this newly created contact. So for that, we will just scroll down and click on this Add Action Step button over here. And after that, here in Choose App, search for Twilio because we are going to send the SMS messages using Twilio. So select Twilio in this action step and in Action Event from the drop down, select Send SMS Message. Click on Connect and select Add New Connection. Now here guys, we have to connect our Twilio account with Pabbly Connect. So to make this connection, we have to enter the account SID and authorization token of our Twilio account. So here you must be thinking how you can get the account SID and authorization token of your Twilio account. So to get it, just go to the home page of your Twilio account and from here, just scroll down. And here at your home page, you can see the account SID and auth token. Copy the account SID from here, go to Pabbly Connect and paste it over here. And once again over here as well. Then after that, copy the auth token and here in Pabbly Connect, paste it too. And after entering these details, just click on Save. And as we click on Save, we will see our Twilio account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making this connection, the first thing it asks us is the body of the SMS. That what is the SMS message we want to send using Twilio to these new contacts. So I want my message to be hello. And after hello, I wanted to mention the name of the new contact which we have created. So from this drop down from Infusionsoft Keap step, we have retrieved the details of the new contact. And in these details, we have received the first name of the contact as well. So from this drop down, we are going to map the first name of the contact over here. After mapping this, I want my message to be okay, so this is the kind of simple message I want to send. Hello, and we have mentioned the name of the new contact. Thank you for showing your interest in our product. If you have any queries, you can contact us at support@pabblytudes.com. So here guys, you can see this is a simple message. Now, instead of this, if you want, you can send any message of your choice. You can create any message, any SMS body, and then you can enter it over here. And if you have received multiple details, other details as well of the user, you can one by one map these same details in this SMS body as well, like last name, email or company name or any other detail too. Now, after creating the body of the SMS, the next thing it asks us is the sender number. Now here in this section, we have to enter the sender's number of our Twilio account. So just go to your Twilio account and before this auth token, you can see my Twilio phone number. Just copy this phone number from here and then paste it over here. After entering the sender's number, the last thing it asks us is the recipient number. That what is the mobile number of the recipient to whom we want to send this SMS. So we have received the mobile number of this new contact from this response of Keap when we have retrieved the details of a new contact. So from these responses, select this response and map it over here. Just click here and from the drop down, select this response of phone number. And after mapping the phone number, just click on Save and Send Test Request. After clicking on Save and Send Test Request, here you can see that we have received a response. And this response seems to be a positive response to us. This response shows that the mobile number which we have entered over here, on this mobile number, an SMS with this body and this detail has been sent. So let's check it. Let's check the SMS inbox of this number. And yes guys, here you can see that on the same number we have received a message which says hello demo, means the same name of the contact, same first name of the contact which we have created in Keap. Thank you for showing your interest in our product. If you have queries, you can contact us at support@pabblytudes.com. The exact same message which we have created over here. Let's correct the spelling and then save this step as well. So here guys, you can see that the automation workflow which we have created in this video is working perfectly fine. And using this automation, whenever a new contact will be created in Keap, automatically within few seconds, we are going to send an SMS message to the same contact. Now guys, after setting up this automation, let's test this automation workflow once. We will go to our Keap account and we are going to create a new contact over here. For example, I'll just click on add contact. This time the name is test contact. This is the name of the person. Then let's add an email address as well. And the company is, for example, Pabbly, and this is the phone number. And click on save. So just now we have added a new contact in our Keap CRM. And we will see as this contact is added, within few seconds, a SMS notification will be sent to the same number of this contact which we have added. So what we have to do, we just have to wait for a few seconds over here and then we can see the SMS will be received. And yes, here you can see that the SMS message is received which says hello test, means the same name of the new contact, the same first name. Thank you for showing your interest in our product. If you have queries, you can contact us at support@pabblytudes.com, the same SMS body which we have created in the Twilio action step while setting up this automation workflow. So here guys, we have tested this automation in real time and it is working perfectly fine. So not just these applications, you can connect plenty of other applications with Pabbly Connect. And guys, one more important thing. You will find the clone link of this exact same workflow in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can clone this same workflow into your own Pabbly Connect account and use this automation workflow for free. Also, let me tell you, Pabbly Connect offers you a free plan. And in this plan, you will get some free tasks every month into your own Pabbly Connect account. So if you want to try and test this automation, you can do it for absolutely free.
If you have any kind of doubts or queries, you can post them on forum.pabbly.com. So if this video was helpful to you, you can obviously like this video, comment down to your suggestion, and don't forget to share it with others. So guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you. Have a great day.